Hi everyone, welcome to today's video of Implant Pills. And today we talk about a young lady who has a problem in the upper jaw left side. At this area the patient had huge problems on the molars under the fixed bridge from 2.4 to 2.7, where I did an extraction caused an untreatable lesion on the 2.7 with the socket preservation, but now the lesion is on the palatal root of the 2.6, as we can see on the CBCT section. And when we look at the 2.4, we can appreciate that we have a palatal periodontal lesion plus very short roots with pain and old posts, and we can appreciate a second lesion on the distobuccal root of the 2.6, and we have a narrow but native bone at the 2.5. So we decided to plan a rehabilitation with a new bridge supported by 3 or 4 implants. But how can we guarantee even a minimal aesthetic to our young lady? I decided to start with cutting the bridge and starting from the first problem. Extraction of the 2.6, separating the roots with a drill and using magnetodynamic technology, and inserting the 2 implants in the 2.5 and the 2.7 place. Here we can see how we could maintain intact bone walls using magnetodynamic osteotomes from the extractions. And using all the tools we have, osteodensification drills and the osteotomes, we can manage difficult conditions as the narrow bone crest in 2.5 place and poor quality bone in 2.7, achieving a good primary stability even for an immediate loading. At this point, I try to insert also the immediate implant in 2.6 with the crestal sinus lift. And at this point, for the reason I reach primary stability even at the 2.6, I've decided to insert the last immediate implant at the 2.4 position using the socket shield technique. I have filled all the gaps with biomaterial and fibrin sealant, and finally I could take the impression to deliver the same day a 3-unit bridge 2.4, 2.5 and 2.6, maintaining the 2.7 with a customized healing abutment. So while the technician prepares our immediate temporary, our patient can rest, and I can rest as well for a while. Here the final X-ray and the sutures with collagen and fibrin sealant to protect the graft underneath. And after everything is ready, I could finally deliver the temporary peak abutments with the provisional cemented bridge. Here, just after the cementing process and the delivery, and finally, the patient could leave the office with the same smile but with new implants. Hope you have enjoyed it. Please let me know which could be your preferred treatment plan, and see you all at the next pills. Thank you very much and bye.